So what I've got to do today is change this primer bulb that you see here on my Echo PB-255. I've had this thing, oh, it's got to have been 10 years. And here last year it started to get cracks, and when you would prime it, it would start to leak, and so I finally decided to go get a new one. And this is it. It's a part number P005003120, and it's real simple to replace, and that's what we're going to put back in. This number that you see here also cross-references to the purge valve that I gave you with this number. They're both to the same part. And over time, with the gas that we have today, they'll just crack. So, but I got a lot of use out of mine, I feel. So you can see you've got 4 screws here we need to take out, and I can either use a number 2 Phillips on that, or I could use just a 3/16 slotted screwdriver. I'm just going to use a number 2 Phillips. These are really small. And for those of you that are wondering what the pitch is on those threads to this bolt, it's an M3 by 0.5 pitch, which is a metric, just in case you were to lose it. The length of the bolt is 15 millimeters long. Here on the schematic I have on my phone of the parts list, you'll see a number 10 is that bolt. And there's the part number to number 10 should you require to have to order it if you can't get it locally. Alright, so we got one last screw here to take out, or bolt. And then that plate will come off with the plunger, as you see here. And as you can see here, those cracks, and you can see how yellowed it got. As of last summer, I'm starting to use non-ethanol gas. There's a place where I can buy non-ethanol, and I use it on all my small engines, whether it's snowblower, lawnmower, weed eaters, blowers, whatever. Quite a few cracks, although it still worked. And here's a close-up of the area where that primer bulb sets into. No gaskets are required. The plunger bulb acts as its own. So now it's just a simple matter of taking the new plunger bulb, pushing it in like that, and we'll bolt it on. So at this point I've got all 4 bolts put in. And I got them loose because I don't want to just tighten one at a time. I wanted to make sure that they all would go in properly. And then now I'll go ahead and finish the tightening of them. Now all I've got to do is put some gasoline in here with the proper oil mixture, and we'll give that plunger a try. Okay, I've got fuel in it. Let's give this thing a try. There it is. You can see it going in.